quick video tour of 6607 at Royal Vista Wyndham in Pompano Beach. This is a 1-bedroom deluxe. You have the bathroom. It is a handicap accessible, which it's got a nice big bathroom, plenty of space with the walk-in handicap accessible shower. And the laundry is in here. It's stackable. This is the bedroom. The bedroom has the jacuzzi tub. Furnishings are pretty decent. It is updated. This room has a view of the cute little bungalows down here, which I kind of adore. I'll show them a little better from the other balcony, and you do get a ocean view, although it's not direct. But the nice thing about this room is it's not over the pool, so it's you're gonna get a little more peace and quiet. This is the living space. Dining space. And the kitchen. Kitchen's a little narrow, small, but it's a 1-bedroom. Let me close the door, and then I will show you the balcony. And the entryway is also nice and wide. So if you're needing the room for handicap purposes, it's definitely very wheelchair friendly, because there's plenty of space in here. And you've got a nice sized balcony. Sorry. I don't know why I locked that. There's the little bungalows. I'm not sure if those are owned or rentals, but those are really cute and smack dab off the beach. Those are very well maintained. All your little, those are cute. And of course, there's your ocean view. And you have a decent sized little balcony with a couple of chairs. Again, this is 6607 handicap accessible deluxe 1-bedroom at the Wyndham Royal Vista in Pompano Beach, Florida, just up above Fort Lauderdale.